Have you ever dreamed of making money from trading every single day? It sounds like a fantasy, doesn't it? But let me tell you something, this dream can become reality. If you have the right mindset, the right strategy, and the determination to win. The market challenges us every single day. But the trader who learns to read its moves, who adapts, who stays sharp, that trader wins, not just once in a while, but consistently. And today, what I'm about to share with you isn't just theory. These insights come from one of the most powerful trading books ever written, Winning Trade Every Day. Inside it are hidden rules, principles, and trading secrets that, when applied, can transform an ordinary trader into someone who earns consistently. Forget fear. Forget doubt. Now is the time for action. In this video, we're going to uncover 3 powerful pillars from this book, the exact blueprint to move closer to daily profits. First, the mindset of a winning trader. How do consistent winners think? What's the difference between an average trader and a professional? Second, the winning strategy. Not dozens of random trades, just one high-quality, high-probability trade a day. How do professionals find that one trade? And what rules do they follow? Third, risk and discipline. Because the truth is, making money isn't the hardest part in trading. The hardest part is keeping it. If you can control your losses, you've already won half the battle. So if you want to place that one winning trade a day, without unnecessary risk, without confusion, then this video is for you. Let's dive into the first pillar, mindset. Friends, in trading, your greatest weapon isn't your strategy. It isn't your indicators. It isn't even your chart reading skills. Your greatest weapon is your mindset. The market is constantly moving, sometimes in your favor, sometimes against you. But what truly matters is not the move of the market. It's how you respond to it. This is where most traders lose. They believe trading is magic. They think it's a lottery. Some treat it like gambling. But trading is none of that. It's a profession. It's a business. And like every business, it requires discipline, clarity, and emotional control. Here lies the biggest challenge, your mind. When the market goes up rapidly, greed takes over. When the market falls sharply, fear dominates. Both emotions blur your vision. Fear pushes you to exit too early. Greed tempts you to take unnecessary risks. And that is why most people lose money. So let's ask the big question. How do you control fear and greed? A winning trader isn't someone who has no fear. A winning trader is someone who understands fear, understands greed, and learns how to manage them. Fear makes you close trades too soon. Greed makes you hold on too long or over-leverage. Both destroy your account. The secret? Stop listening to your emotions. Start listening to your rules. Trade with a plan. Follow your system. Detach your decisions from mood swings. Remember, the market doesn't move according to your mood, but your mood can definitely ruin your decisions. Fourth, learn to accept losses. The first step to winning. Every trader dreams of winning every single day. But let's be honest, winning in the markets every day is not easy. Losses are a part of the game. And here's the truth. Accepting losses is the first step toward becoming a winning trader. The difference between amateurs and professionals is not that pros never lose. It's that pros know how to accept a loss, learn from it, and move forward. Losers run from their losses. They deny them. They blame the market, or luck, or someone else. But winners embrace every loss as a lesson. They improve their system. They sharpen their strategy. They grow stronger. Remember this powerful line. Loss is the tuition fee you pay to become a successful trader. Every setback is simply the cost of education. The real question is, are you learning or are you just paying the fees again and again? Fifth, treat trading as a business, not gambling. One of the biggest myths in trading is that it's gambling. And this mindset destroys traders faster than any bad trade. If you treat trading like a casino, you will gamble your money away. But if you treat it like a business, you'll approach it professionally. Think about any successful business person. They don't make emotional decisions. They don't bet blindly. They weigh risks. They calculate rewards. They plan every move carefully. Trading is no different. Your charts are your reports. Your strategy is your business plan. And your risk management is your insurance policy. The more you run trading like a business, the more consistent and stable your results will become. Sixth, focus on good decisions, not quick profits. Here's another mistake most traders make. They chase money instead of focusing on decisions. They want to get rich overnight. They want profits right now. And in that chase, they break their rules, overtrade, and lose everything. But winning traders think differently. Their focus is not, how much money can I make today? Instead, they ask, am I making the right decision today? Because here's the secret. If your decisions are right, the money will follow automatically. Correct decisions compound over time. Wrong decisions, even if lucky once or twice, eventually lead to disaster. So stop thinking, I need money. Start thinking, I need to execute good trades. Money is the byproduct of discipline. Seventh, keep learning always. The market is alive. It keeps changing. What works today may not work tomorrow, and this is why the best traders are lifelong learners. Every loss, every mistake, every success, it all teaches you something. Trading isn't a destination, it's a journey. The ones who keep learning, keep growing, and keep adapting, those are the ones who last long and win consistently. Remember this: a trader who conquers the market for one day is not a winner. A trader who conquers their own mind every day is the real champion. Now, let's move into the second pillar, the winning strategy. This is what excites everyone, the actual how-to. But before you imagine some magic formula, let me be clear. This isn't about chasing 100 trades a day. This isn't about complex systems. It's about a smart, simple, and consistent plan. A plan that helps you take just one solid trade a day. Why only one trade? Because in the beginning, overtrading is your biggest enemy. The more you trade, the more mistakes you make. The market will never give you 100% accuracy. But if you focus all your energy on one high-probability trade, your chances of winning increase dramatically. One solid trade keeps your mind calm. It reduces stress, it reduces risk, and it helps you trade with focus, not desperation. Even professional traders, the ones managing millions, don't take dozens of trades a day. Many of them stick to just one or two. But those one or two trades are backed by deep research, strong logic, and clear rules. So, how do you find that one good trade? Eighth, understand the market. Study the trend. Identify support and resistance levels. Pay attention to timing. Follow the trend. It's the simplest and most effective approach. If the trend is up, look for buys. If the trend is down, look for sells. Don't fight the market. Flow with it. Use chart patterns and candlesticks. These are your compass. They guide your entry and exit. Learn to read them like a language. Use indicators, but don't depend 100% on them. Indicators are tools, not magic. Use them to confirm your analysis, not to replace it. Set rules and stick to them. You need strict rules to survive in trading. For example, only enter when your entry point is crystal clear. Always set a stop loss. This is your safety net. Predetermine your target profit. Never trade against the trend. Rules aren't limitations, they're your armor. Without them, you'll bleed money. With them, you'll build consistency. The 3 essential tools of a trader. Every successful trader relies on 3 weapons. Chart analysis. Understand how the market is moving. Trend analysis. Know the direction of the market. Risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. When you combine these three, you can spot that one reliable trade with confidence. Ninth, emotions and patience. The real test. Even with the best strategy, if you can't control your emotions, you will fail. Patience is key. The market gives plenty of opportunities, but only a few are truly high quality. If you rush, if you panic, if you let fear or greed take over, you'll take poor trades. A great trade requires patience. Sometimes the best trade is to wait. 10th, practice and record keeping. Winning traders don't just trade, they document. They keep a journal. Write down every trade, why you took it, what the result was, what you learned. Over time, your trading journal becomes your personal teacher. It reveals patterns in your behavior, strengths in your system, and weaknesses you need to fix. The more you practice, and the more you review your trades, the sharper your skills become. And now, friends, let's talk about two of the most important aspects of trading, the ones that determine whether you'll last in this game or disappear. Risk management and discipline. Point 2. Balancing risk and reward. In trading, it's not just about protecting yourself from losses. It's also about ensuring your profits are bigger than your losses. Think of it like this. You might lose a few trades. That's normal. But if your winning trades are 2 to 3 times larger than your losing trades, you'll still come out ahead. For example, if you risk $100 on a trade, your target should not be $100. It should be $200 or even $300. This is called the risk-to-reward ratio. This principle alone can completely transform your trading. Even if you win only 4 out of 10 trades, you could still end up profitable because your winners are bigger than your losers. That's the beauty of smart risk management. If you found value in this video, make sure to like it. It helps me know you're learning and growing. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss powerful and practical trading lessons like this. I read every single comment, and I'll make sure to answer your questions in upcoming videos. Let's grow together, let's stay disciplined, and let's make the journey of trading a winning one.